As you can hear, I'm on death's doorstep right now. Pretty sure RSV sent me the invite after I got my kids first, like at some little party or something. So I'm about to turn my shower into a eucalyptus infused steam room with just some regular eucalyptus oil, and then see if I come out sounding like a serene bedtime goddess or a dying leaf blower. Stay tuned for the results of this highly scientific experiment. Final results. I do feel better. That heavy feeling in my chest is gone. Not the I need to go to confession kind, the other one. I can breathe better and sound not quite serene, but less like a dying animal for sure. Was it the steam and the eucalyptus? Maybe, I don't know. Don't ask me for medical advice though. I'm not WebMD. Okay, bye.